This morning, we're going to begin with some good news. There are signs that America is beating back the pandemic with the help of vaccines. However, there are also indications of potential trouble ahead. First, the good news. Yesterday, it reported 272 people died from the virus in the U.S., each one a loss, but that is the lowest number since the early days of the pandemic in March of 2020.
It's a far cry from just 5 months ago when we lost almost 4,500 people in a single day. But vaccination rates have been slowing even as a more contagious strain called the Delta variant is spreading rapidly. Our lead national correspondent, David Begnaud, is following this. David, we're not close to herd immunity. So where does that leave us exactly?
It leaves us with a lot of vulnerable pockets around the country, Anthony. Good morning. Take a look at this map. Those 16 states are the only ones that have vaccinated more than half of their population. And with those kinds of numbers, that leaves Delta with a lot of room to run. Whether it's airports, NBA games, or concerts, crowds are gathering across the nation as Americans start a return to pre-pandemic life. But with just 45% of Americans fully vaccinated, health experts are worried about the spread of the highly contagious Delta variant that appears to be about 60% more contagious than the Alpha variant, which was discovered in the United Kingdom. And that was the last variant of major concern, according to infectious disease expert Dr. Michael Osterholm.
In the areas where they have large pockets of unvaccinated people, we can surely expect to see surges in cases, in some situations challenging the healthcare capacity of that local area.
We're there currently here. We're holding patients in the ER, waiting on admissions, waiting on discharges on any given day.
Craig McCoy is president of Mercy Hospital in Springfield, Missouri. Only 32% of the surrounding county there is vaccinated, and COVID hospitalizations are up more than 210% since the 1st of June. Most alarming is that 90% of all COVID samples being sequenced from that county are coming back positive for the Delta variant. McCoy says at his hospital, almost every patient is unvaccinated.
We've only had 2 that have come in as inpatients that have been fully vaccinated. The vaccine, from everything we can see, does appear to be effective against the Delta variant.
Does this Delta variant have the potential of being another wave?
The Delta variant clearly is going to be another wave. That if you decide not to get vaccinated, this virus will still find you.
So here's the good news. Dr. Osterholm says if you are fully vaccinated, you shouldn't really have to worry about the Delta variant.